Welcome to this class. Today we will discuss the remaining topic of genetics. Then we will start with your Mendelian disorder. In previous class we discussed there are two types of chromosome. Out of two types of chromosome, 23 pair, that is 46 chromosome. Out of 46, 44 are known as autosome, and remaining two chromosome, that is X and Y chromosome, are known as your sex chromosome or allosome. In this present topic, Mendelian disorder means Mendelian character which is based on your autosome. How autosome or how your autosomal chromosome involved in your disorderness, that is known as Mendelian disorder. In this topic, we discuss the disease thalassemia. In thalassemia disease, it is a blood disorder disease, group of blood disorder disease. Students, you know that blood group is mainly four types, that is AB, group A, B and O. In the blood, there is a pigment is present, is known as hemoglobin. Hemo means oxygen carrying pigment of blood is known as hemoglobin. In hemoglobin, there is two types of globin proteins are there. Number one, alpha globin, and number B is beta globin. There are two types of protein are present in hemoglobin, which is the oxygen carrying part of your blood. In alpha globin, there is 141 amino acid are present. In beta globin, there is 146 amino acid are present. Both the globin unit are present in your 11 and out of 23 chromosomes, the number 11 and 16 number of chromosome contains this globin protein. If this is the disorderness takes place in your globin protein, so defective of amino acid also takes place. In globin protein, there is 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain are present, out of which 11 and 16 number of chromosome is defective. If defective occurs, the disorderness is known as thalassemia. So in thalassemia, there is no formation of RBC. RBC means red blood corpuscles. Ultimately, the defective of RBC or falling of RBC causes anemia. Means if our body requires 5 liters of blood, so in anemia patient there is only 3 liters of blood is produced. Out of 5, 3 liters are produced, 2 liters are not produced. So defective RBC are produced in thalassemia case. So it is a disorder in which the patient have the symptoms of thalassemia disease, in which first is broad forehead. The width of forehead is increases. Number 2, always opening of mouth never be closed. Number 3, the IQ level is below 40. Generally our IQ is 120, but in thalassemia patient the IQ is below 40. Number 4. In this disorder, the palm size increases or broadening of your palm size, and the patient is suffering from different organ failure disease. So, in this disease, it is a Mendelian disorder which is present before our birth in our chromosome. After birth, it shows this kind of symptom. The disease is known as thalassemia. The second kind of disease is known as chromosomal disorderness. Chromosomal disorderness, in which the disease is known as Down's syndrome. Syndrome means disorderness. Any kind of defective of our body is known as disorderness. In Down's syndrome, the chromosome number 21 shows defective. Generally, our body contains 46 chromosomes. In Down syndrome, there is presence of 47 chromosomes. So, in this Down syndrome, when our body undergoes meiosis, this is our cell, this is our chromosome. So, when the chromosome undergoes meiosis, this is the meiosis division, 2 daughter cells are produced. So, this is the splitting of your chromosome. Half goes one pole and other half goes another pole. So, out of 23 chromosomes, they are pairing. 23 goes this side and 23 goes opposite side. So, we say that 46 chromosomes are present in our body or in our cell. So, in this disease, Down syndrome, the chromosome number 21 goes intact in one side. So, disrupting of chromosome never occurs. So, 21 plus 1. This 21 chromosome contains 1 chromosome extra. So, in this disease, the chromosome number undergoes 46 becomes 47. So, some extra character will develop in this disease, Down's syndrome. In the Down syndrome, this is also occurs IQ level undergoes decreases, the eyesight become very defective, and the patient suffering from lots of disorderness like heart weak, and this disease occurs 1 in 600 children. Mainly children are suffering from this Down syndrome, and this is known as your chromosomal disorderness. Next, another disease is known as your Klinefelter's disease. Klinefelter's syndrome. We know that there is 44 plus XY chromosome are present in our cell. But in Klinefelter syndrome, the chromosome number become 44 plus XXY. In Down syndrome, the chromosome number becomes 47, but one chromosome is extra in 21 pair of autosome. Here is also 47 chromosomes are present, but one X chromosome or one sex chromosome is extra in your Klinefelter syndrome. In Klinefelter syndrome, one X chromosome means some female characters are produces in male, and in this syndrome the X is coming from ovum. So the male with some female character. Number 1, symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome, in which male sterility, the male sterility is seen, in which the male does not produce sperm, with some female voice, shortening of height, and male with some female characteristic. Here is also that the chromosome number is 47. The 47 is XY chromosome. Out of 500, 1 children will suffering from this Klinefelter syndrome. So this is the syndrome of your genetic disorderness. We will study first. Number 1 is your Mendelian disorder, number 2 chromosomal disorder, and number 3 is genetic disorder. In genetic disorder, first disease is Klinefelter syndrome, and second disease is your Turner syndrome. Number 2 is genetic disorder. Number 2 is Turner's syndrome. In Turner syndrome, 1 chromosome is deleted. That is, the chromosome number become 44 plus X0. In case of Y chromosome is deleted, only X chromosome is remain. So in this Turner syndrome, the female chromosome X is absent and the chromosome number become 45. Out of 3000 children, 1 will suffering from this syndrome or disorder. In this disorderness, the female contains male character because absence of 1 X chromosome. The female with male voice, female is sterile. Sterile means female cannot produce ova and rudimentary or reduced uterus. So the female does not contain any baby inside its uterus or cannot hold a baby in his or in her uterus. So female sterile and female with male voice occurs in this Turner's syndrome. This is a rare kind of disorderness. Out of 3000, 1 will suffering from this disorderness. This all about your genetic topic of your zoology, and this is the complete unit of your genetics. Thank you.